In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search channels in Slack. Whether you're part of a small team or a large organization, Slack's a vital tool for keeping everyone connected and informed. However, with countless messages and channels, it can sometimes be a little challenging to find exactly what you're looking for. Don't worry, because I'm here to guide you through the process step by step, helping you navigate and utilize Slack's search functionality efficiently. First things first, let's get started by opening the Slack application on your desktop. If you haven't already, make sure you're logged into the workspace where you'd like to search for channels. Once you're in, find the search bar. This is your gateway to all the information stored within your Slack workspace. Located at the top of the Slack UI, it's a simple yet powerful tool. Start by clicking on the search bar. Here you can enter keywords or phrases pertinent to your search. If you have an idea of the specific channel you want to find, enter relevant terms that you believe are associated with that channel. As you type, Slack will provide suggestions. These can be a great way to quickly identify whether the channel you're looking for might be hidden behind a different name than you remember. Once you enter your search terms, hit enter on your keyboard and watch as Slack works its magic. You'll notice a variety of results: messages, files, and most importantly for us today, channels. Look for the Channels tab in the Results interface. This separates channels from the rest of the search results, simplifying your process of locating exactly what you're after. To make your search even more efficient, Slack offers filters. Locating these right below the search bar, filters allow you to narrow down results based on criteria like modification time or message author. For channel-specific searching, try adjusting these filters to help pinpoint the exact channel or discussion thread you're trying to find. Another tip: if your workspace uses naming conventions for channels, such as prefixes for team names or departments, use these in your search query. This can surprisingly streamline your process, especially in workspaces with a robust set of channels. Once you've located the desired channel from the results, simply click on it. Slack will take you directly to that channel, allowing you to dive into the conversation or information you need seamlessly. And there you have it. With these steps, efficiently traversing your Slack workspace and finding essential channels becomes an easy task. Remember, Slack's search functionality is designed to enhance productivity and streamline communication, so take advantage of those features to keep your workday running smoothly. Thanks for tuning in, and hopefully this guide makes your Slack experience a little more manageable. Happy searching, everyone!